All right, so you're looking to get an avatar of yourself. And if so, I want to share with you a really super cool and interesting AI avatar generator that you can use to generate some really super cool avatar. Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. And the website in question that I'm showing you right here is Remaker AI. If you head over to Remaker.ai, you can quickly sign up with your Gmail account. And once you do that, you get 30 credits for free that you can quickly test out. They have a ton of different AI tools that you can play around with, but what we're focusing on is the AI avatar generator. And you can find it under all. Once you create your account, you will see it at the top here under the AI photo generator. You can also click on AI photo generator and you will find it here, which is showing up. Keep in mind that you have 30 credits. So if you burn out those 30 credits, you want to go ahead and click on price and you can quickly go ahead and purchase, for example, the 200 credits or the 530 credits. And, you can pay with your credit card, GP, Apple Pay. Super easy, super straightforward. The link is in the description of this video, or you'll find it in the pinned comments so that you can quickly register your account. Now, once you do that, guys, just simply click on the AI avatar generator. And we're going to put this to the test and see what we can create. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, guys, right here, you see that you need to upload your image. So I'm gonna upload an image of myself right here, curious, and I'm gonna switch this to male, and we're gonna see what we can test. So let's start by seeing what I look like as someone in the Pirates of the Caribbean. Generate takes 8 credits. So when you get started, just keep that in mind that you have 8 credits and you will be able to see, to play around with it for just a few generations. So it might work to get that, extra. If you test it out and you like it, you might want to go ahead and, purchase some credit so that you can quickly, so that you can test even more. No, this is, oh, that's interesting. So it says that I look like this. It doesn't actually look like me, but it's an interesting avatar. I must say, it look even real. It look like this person exists, which I think that it can come off as really cool because on the one side, you'd want it to look exactly like you, but on the other side, if you want to do something with AI and you want to create something else that looks similar, it might be not a bad idea, right? So that's actually really cool. This is interesting. Round doll. Let's see how that will look. I'm curious. If not, I will use the AI baby that I used to generate from my picture and see how that look. But let's see how this one will actually looks. The round doll. And they also have a custom section as well that you can test. We're gonna test that out as well to see how powerful or how cool that is. This is interesting, guys. It doesn't look like me, but it's an interesting concept. It's an interesting idea. Yeah, that's interesting. No, let's see. What is this? Dark. We're gonna test it. We're testing it out. We're testing these avatars. And give thanks. I have 3,000 credits. I'm gonna just test out a few of them for you guys so that you can see it, and you will see if you find you something there that looks really cool. That's why I am just testing out as much as possible so that you can get a general idea. And if you like it, you can go ahead and put your own image as well afterwards. So um, yeah, I'm more than happy to create each of these and show you what they look like. That's an interesting one. As I said, the avatar doesn't make it look exactly like me. It has some kind of a feature of myself, I would say, but I can see that it's not exactly me who is in it. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Maybe in some case it might be a drawback, while in other case it might be really interesting. It might be a plus. So yeah. But I think that the designs are really cool. This cute one could be cool too. Let me see what that generates afterwards. Oh, look at this. But what I must say, guys, that the person that it creates from my picture, they looks the same. I must say, like most of the generations look the same. Because if you look at this guy, and then you go back here and you look at this guy, they almost resemble. And you look at this guy, they almost look the same. So maybe it's just what the idea, that it's just what the AI could do. Maybe I'll have to find a different picture of myself, really, because maybe that's it. No, let's check this out. Let's try the Iron Man. I'm curious about the Iron Man. So let's generate the Iron Man. And they also have the statue and the man in white. That's gonna be interesting as well. Oh, look at, you see, the guy looks quite similar, but the quality of the images are really nice. They're really cool. The Iron Man. Hey, that's insane. It's cool. I like it. I must say that, for an avatar, you don't expect it's gonna look exactly like you, but I think that it's good. Let's try this man in white and test it out and see what this guy will look like. And then I'm gonna try the editor, and then we will try something custom. Whoa, that's interesting. The man in white. That's funny. That's really funny, guys. But the detail of the image, it it's something interesting, I must say. I think that, for people who are like doing these AI, faceless channels, and they want to come up with a character that maybe looks similar to them but not exactly them, I think that you could use this tool to generate some really cool avatar. I think that's cool. Let's check out the statue. That might be something interesting to see. And I want to go back and try the cute one as well to see what the cute look like. Okay, so wow, that's interesting. Statue. It looks cool. I must say that it's an interesting idea, man. It's interesting. Now, last one here before we test the custom idea. I have something in mind, so we're gonna see what's there, but we might just pull up something from some of the inspiration that they give to us. We'll test out a few of those, and yeah, I think we have a general idea what to say about this AI avatar generator here. Yeah, that's interesting. So this is the cute one. Not bad. Really interesting. That's cool. This could be really cool as well. Like if you're trying to make some kind of a cartoonic idea and you want to use you want to come up with your own avatar for this. Yeah, that could be a really cool idea for sure. All right, now let's head over to the custom section. This is interesting. So they have photographic, fantasy, comic, digital art, and neopunk. Let's try that. Me in an astronaut. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say, show me in an astronaut outfit, right? And generate. And this is the neopunk style. So we're gonna try a few of them. We can try the digital art one as well. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. But that could be interesting to see how that turns out. Okay, this is interesting. The quality of the images are, I must say, I must give it a 10 out of 10 for the quality of the images. I really like the quality of the images. Now let's try it in the digital art as well and see how that's going to look. And let's see what else they have here. Comic. The comic could be a good one. I'm going to test the comic one as well. And maybe the photograph could be a good idea. And I'm just doing all of these testing just to show you what it looks like, what you could expect when you put your image there with this, and you get a full understanding. Okay, so if you have limited credits, which style I want to use so that I get the best from my 30 credits, especially if you don't upgrade just yet. So let's see this one here. Wow, so this is the art. This is cool too, guys. He's over the earth. This is interesting. Cool. Let's try the comic design. I don't know how many 8 credits I've burned up, but for me, it is amazing. It says style 20. Oh, they also have an interesting concept here, guys. They said that you can change the strength. So, what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to bump up the strength to 50 and do a few more generations because that was just a 20 strength. And imagine that. Imagine that. I had it at a strength of 20 and it can go all the way up to 50. So, can you imagine? I'm wondering if the strength generation, oh, this is cool. The comic is cool. I like it. That's sweet. I like the comic idea. Like if you want to do something like that, that's cool. Now, before I do the next generation, guys, I'm going to bump this up to 50. because I would like to see what 50 looks like. And I'm going to choose a photograph. And just to see if the strength means that it's going to look exactly like me, because that might be what I've been missing all along from my designs or from my generations. So let's see what it's actually going to do. If I put the style strength at 50, not sure, but no, it doesn't make a difference, but doesn't make a difference in terms of the looks, but I think that the quality even get even more. It looks good. I like it. I'm gonna try this one again. Let's try the neopunk again at 50 style. That could be cool. And then we're gonna do one last generation, guys, by doing an inspiration with the image. And let's see what that actually generates. We're gonna compare the differences between the two and see if we see any notable differences. But let's see. Man, I'm telling you, the quality is insane. The quality is insane. So I don't really see much difference. One thing I must say, the quality of the images are really cool. No, I'm gonna remove my details there. I'm gonna just say inspiration. Young man wearing a spacesuit. Or maybe it's just about spacesuit designs and nothing else. Maybe that's it. And I'm gonna switch again. Okay, they said doctoral cape, so you can basically do anything. I'm gonna just try something else until I find this. Boy, yo, this is cool. Wow, this is sick. I like it. I really like it. It's cool, man. It's really cool. The ideas are really good. Air Force. Let's try this. This could be cool. Let's try this one. That's going to be the last generation that I'm about to share with you guys. I really hope you found this useful and, cool to test out various ideas for creating your avatar. And I'm sure that, if you so desire, want to upgrade, you will upgrade and you can have fun with this, guys, creating some really good avatars, right? This is really cool. Yeah, I like it. I must say the quality is good. The quality is good, really good. With that said, guys, I really appreciate that you give this video a like and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And of course, if you'd like to create an account on Remaker AI, you can find the link within the description of this video. And on top of that, I really appreciate if you use my affiliate link right there as well. So with that said, I hope that you get to see as much as possible with Remaker Avatar AI generator, and so that you can basically have some fun with it. And yeah, thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments below what you think as well. I'd greatly appreciate that. It's really an interesting tool to use.